Hi folks, just a quick little video this evening on car tyres. Now, as you know, car tyres and any sort of tyre on anything, a truck, a bus, a car, bicycle, motorbike, whatever, it's the main point of contact between oneself and the road. So obviously, tyres have to be in a very good condition. What they're looking for on tyres to be judged to be in a very good condition is outlined here in the Road Safety Authority's handy little booklet called Your Guide to Tyre Safety. It goes through why tyre safety is so important, i.e. you must have correctly inflated tyres. They must be free from any visual defects such as cuts, bulges, tears or bits of wire showing, and they must have a tread depth of at least 1.6 millimeters. That's the legal tread depth for tyres in Ireland at the time of making this video. Although the Road Safety Authority do recommend, or have recommended in the past, that tyre treads should not be less than 3 millimeters for real safety, but legally the tread depth is 1.6 millimeters. This booklet goes through what are the legal requirements for tyres in Ireland, what kind of tyres should you buy. Basically, there's winter tyres, you can use in the winter, summer tyres, and then there's all season tyres as well, which is a cross between summer tyres and winter tyres. They're designed to cope with all sorts of conditions, whether it be winter time or summertime. Should I fit winter tyres in Ireland? And then it goes through certain quality marks, the E mark, which is a European safety mark on tyres, and the S mark, which is a sound marking on the tyres then, that certifies the amount of road noise produced by the tyre and that it complies with EU standards. Buying a new tyre, then it goes through the performance labels on the tyre and what they mean. Buying second-hand tyres, which is not generally advisable. Now, and there's a little picture here then, folks, here of your tread depth in the tyres. That's what's meant by tread depth, the distance from the top of the tyre down to the core of the tyre here. So that distance there should be never less than 1.6 millimeters. There's an indicator level here on the tyres as well. So if you put your finger on the top of that indicator level there, and if it's flush with the top of these tyres here, then you should get a new tyre basically. That's how you measure the tread depth in the tyre. You can also use the kind of a, what do they call it, a tyre tread depth gauge of some description. As you can see here, it's just a cardboard cutout from the back of the book here. And then it goes through the types of damage in the tyres and other information there that's really useful when you're judging as to whether a tyre is in good condition or not. Correct inflation pressure, it goes through then. Now, you can measure the pressure on tyres with a tyre pressure gauge, such as this one here on Amazon.com. And if your tyre then is a bit flat or needs a bit more pressure, you can also use the foot pumps such as this one here on Amazon.com as well. So they're useful products to have in a car, both the tyre pressure device and a foot pump device as well. Very useful indeed. Foot pump, if your tyres are a bit flat, you can give them a quick pump with the pump, especially if you may have a slow puncture. You might get a bit more time with your tyres then after that. So that's the information on the tyre pressure checking. It goes through wheel alignment and balancing, which is very important too, because you don't want your the tracking to go out on your wheels or tyres, and that mean the tyres won't last as long as they should. So folks, that's my little video now on tyres at the moment. If you have any comments to make, or you have any suggestions or questions, please do so in the comment section below this video, folks. And you might also like the video too underneath this video. If you would do so, please, it would be much appreciated. Or if you would like to join our community here on DrivingLessonsCork.ie video channel, you can subscribe to our channel as well. So thanks very much, folks, for watching this video, and until later, bye for now.